Hello everyone. So we've just added this beautiful house to our property collection of 100 plus stays. So now let's hear it from the owner and take a home tour around this beautiful place. Come, let's go. Hi.
Hi,
Hi.
I'm Chanel. I'm the granddaughter of the owner of this beautiful home.
Uh,
And let me take you to my grandmom to show you more
the
insights.
place is actually very beautiful. Hi. Hi.
Hello. Hi, hi. Come, come,
Yeah.
come.
I just want to know the story behind this house, how emotionally attached you are to this place, and yeah, a general story about this house basically.
I'm so happy. Chanel, she's my granddaughter, asking me about this beautiful house. This house is a beautiful blessing to me, and I cannot forget how we bought it. Every day, our dream was to build a beautiful house here. And over the years, we built a beautiful house here. And every time we used to bring people, and my husband loved to bring people, and we used to bring lot 20 to 30 people. We used to, have good time. We had music, dance. We used to sing along, and the climate was so beautiful. I don't know why it is not raining now, but that was the time we really cherished.
So we've already spoken to two generation of the family, the grandmother and the granddaughter. Now let's meet the second generation of the family, the daughter of the house. Hi, ma'am.
Hi,
How are you?
good, good. I'm Samira Fernandez, and warm welcome to
Thank you so much.
Walsint.
The
So,
place is warm indeed, like
yes,
well.
so Walsint is my parents' name. Wal is Walter, and Cynthia is Synth. So that's why it's Walsint. And 101 is the name of the place because just like any movies which are all about adventure, this place has beautiful energy and right from creativity to passion to positivity. And I hope to take you around and show you that.
Definitely. I want to feel the energy, experience all of
Yeah.
that. So let's go.
Yes, come on. Go on, paint. Come on. So we're going to go to a very interesting place. Please come and
Yeah.
join. And Kiara and Nia, I think you've done some paintings. Can you show us what you have done? Oh, this is so beautiful. So this is what
Wow.
Kiara has done. A potpourri of colors.
Oh,
Yes,
this is
see.
beautiful, both of
Yeah.
you.
Did you enjoy doing it? What is the best part you liked?
When we
Swirled the
swirl
colors.
the colors.
Yeah, show how you're swirling. Dance and show. Yes, and turn your body and show. Yes, yes. Such a beautiful, vibrant painting that they have done. Did you enjoy doing it? Yeah,
Yeah, it was very fun.
yeah. So I think the best part about our home is, the greenery, the positivity, the energy, and it's got something for everyone. So, you're a child, you can run around and go and touch the horses and the dogs and, do some planting. In fact, we have such beautiful plants here
Yeah.
that, the children have planted a
Oh.
lot of, plants and seasonal fruits. And that's our favorite tree, the berry tree, where they pluck cherries and mulberries. So it's beautiful. Did you enjoy plucking mulberries and having them today? Yeah. And they've come from Abu Dhabi, and
Okay.
it's good because people from all over the world can come here and fit into a very very homely environment
Correct.
without
Yeah.
feeling out of place,
Yeah.
and it gives the NRI community a touch of nature as
Correct,
well.
correct. So
Yeah.
feeling that way would be really nice because you stay abroad and then you come
Yes.
home here,
Yeah.
and probably a few people might not have like a second home here.
Yeah.
So for those people to come and feel like they are in home in a
Yes.
second home is I guess a nice feeling.
It is.
And now you are going to give that feel to others who are going to book this place and
Yeah.
stay here. So which is very nice. That's very nice of you.
I'm so excited to show you
Yeah,
around and
yeah,
show you
definitely, definitely.
what it means to us. So I'm going to take you to this room.
This is such a beautiful touch.
Yeah. So this is the wellness place.
Okay.
So if you want to just sit and meditate and just be aloof in an isolated place, we have a yoga mat here. You look at a beautiful plant which has grown for so long, and then you have a lot of games and all that there. And what you can do is, this is my favorite corner of incense. So you have like a variety. Ah, sticks will. You like it? Yeah, incense sticks. And you have the diya, and we've kept this very nice cases, sandalwood, So you can just light this incense, put some agarbatti here, and that painting is very serene,
Yeah.
because it's all about cooling the heart and the soul. So we have kept colors which are very complementary. So you have the blues, which is all about the sky, and you have the plants in front, and also something really soulful, to keep in terms with wellness.
This is a very thoughtful area
Yeah, this is
of
the
the
wellness
house. Yeah,
place.
it's very
Yeah,
thoughtful.
yeah. And then we go to the bedroom.
Yeah.
Please come. So this is the bedroom, and again, we just have a painting here to still keep you with nature. But this painting is all about, the dream room.
Okay.
So, we've kept the windows open, and you have your fresh air. You have banana plants and chiku plants and mango trees. And it's all about just, lying here on the bed like this young little baby. Exactly that. And just dream and, forget everything and live life to the fullest. I'm going to take you, and the best part is we have these very nice washrooms here. So I just want to tell you that, it's a very comfortable space, and, you can use this place. It's very, and we have like a well ventilated place as well. Yeah. So yeah, the mirror here, it's, we have just ensured that we have a lot of these cupboards, which also have full length space. You can keep all your things. We have a special dressing table. And I'm going to take you to the next room now. And this is a beautiful room because this is all about adventure. So so this room gives a feeling of, you can climb the mountains, and there are a lot of adventure related things here. So it's all about, keeping that spirit alive, keeping it going. We've kept a fresh white linen to ensure that, you're at peace wherever you go. We also have a study table that my daughter uses. So, I think you can see her working there. And she is also into social media. And this place gives her that adventure to try things a notch up. So, discover new territories. I like this place because it's got a lot of these cupboards. And as you can see, we have also kept a lot of linen inside. So there are extra sets of everything that you need, toilet rolls to linens and bed sheets. So, there's something for everyone and for the family.
It's very unique. I've never seen anyone, give a specific energy to
Yeah.
specific rooms,
Yeah.
which was very nice. And I hope every guest who comes here comes into that room and actually feels the energy here.
Yes, it
It's,
is.
it's
it is.
beautiful.
And I'm going to take you on top because that's a room of its own.
Okay.
And let's go there, and I will share things with you.
Definitely.
Come. So this is my favorite place because this is called the Sky Room or the Sky Lounge, and this is so beautiful because it's cool. You can do whatever you want. You want to sit on the bed and relax, but you can reach out to the sky here, and it's all about living your dreams, finding what your ambitions in life are, and discovering your passion. And in an age where people want to go to different countries and different places and have the solo adventure, this is your place to live life as a soloist. So yeah, I think the children also enjoy this a lot. They love to come here, and it's like having your own a special place, but still a bit isolated. And what I really love about it is, you get this. Please come.
Yeah.
Please come.
Yeah, sure.
So yeah, so what I love is you have this whole sky. Can you see how beautiful it
Yeah.
is? Such a beautiful sky in front of you, but
The
at the same
greenery
time,
around is
yeah,
very nice,
And
very
at the s-
refreshing.
and at the same time, you're so down to earth as well because you have all these. You have the horses here.
Oh wow.
So yeah, the beautiful stallions,
Nice.
and you can come here in the morning and feed them. Does this work here, Nia? Oh, this is so beautiful. Yeah. So the children love it here, and even for the parents to sit here, have their coffee. I think you'll find so many birds in the sky and neem leaves. So yeah, and I love this place because so the favorite place what I really love is the drumstick tree. And as we use the leaves, we use the flowers, and we use the drumsticks as well. So it's good to see the children, the horses, and everything down here. and have the chickus, the guavas, the bananas, and mom has her way of putting all the palak and all the vegetable plants. But the highlight which dad and mom really loved was the neem tree.
It's very difficult to find a neem tree in Bangalore these days.
Really?
Yeah. I mean, to see a house with neem tree is so refreshing.
Yeah. So mom has this thing, she puts this neem paste and makes a paste out of it, fresh neem leaves. So as you see, you will hardly find mosquitoes here because, she just keeps this place very clean and very homely. And I think that's one of the reasons why the family loves to come here. And then we come here in the evening under the coconut tree, have fresh coconuts and sit here and just look at the open skies and enjoy the rain, enjoy Kiara. And this is what children love to do, climb all over the place. But we just spend time here in the evening. And I think it's a beautiful thing to look at the sky and to live life to the fullest and enjoy the beauty of life.
The place is really beautiful, and I am already like, I want to book the place and come stay here with my
Amazing.
family for a few days. That's how it makes me feel.
Yeah.
Very homely place, and it was very nice talking to the 3 generations of the house.
Thank
so
you.
It was very nice meeting you. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. So warm welcome to Walsynth 101. Bring your family, bring your friends, have a nice time and enjoy nature. And it's a community of its own.
Yeah.
Thank
Thank
you.
you. Thank you so much.
See you.